Welcome to the Workforce Solutions Virtual Job Fair tutorial. Here I'm going to show you how to access your virtual booth so you can input the information that you would like job candidates to see. Hopefully you've already received an email containing the URL and also your username and password that has been assigned to you. Once you have this, type in the URL to the web browser, and it should be wrksolutions.easyvirtualfair.com/backend/. For this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and use this username and password being password. And this is what you're going to see. Now keep in mind, this is the page you're going to see to edit all the information that the job candidates will see during the job fair. So this information is your basic information, and when you're going to scroll down, you'll be able to upload the company logo, your contact information, social media links, and most importantly, a profile. Just say something about your company. And if there's anything more that you want to add, you can use that in the more information. So for this, I'm just going to just say test company as an example. Okay, once you input any data, just hit Save Changes. And you'll notice in the top corner, all of a sudden, the username is changed to Test Company. Also, one thing that's kind of helpful is if you refresh your page, your name will actually show up here. Also, if you're having any troubles with any of your company logos, just email jason.yu@wrksolutions or any of your contacts, and we will get your company logo sorted. There's some formatting issues here. So up on the left-hand side, you'll see the corporate data information, which is here. Design, which is what your booth will look like to the job candidates. Now, this is totally customizable, so you can switch it up to anything you want. Do whichever one's here in these templates, and you can also change the person sitting or standing behind the booth. Now, if you notice in the booth, you see some blank spots. Down below is where your logo is going to show up, and you're going to have posters and banners up on the side that the job candidates will see, which you will be able to input right here where it says banner and poster. You just upload these. When you add it, it does give you a recommended size. And also going through, if you would like to upload a video, we recommend a YouTube link. If you don't have a video on the link, if you just send us the video, we do have a site where we can upload it to YouTube and then give you the link where you can upload it to your virtual booth. Also, if you have any hiring materials, PDFs, pictures, any promotional or hiring things, you can also add those to the downloads. And when the job candidates are in your booth, they will be able to download that on their computers. So also on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see the chat. Now, here is where you'll be able to schedule a chat. Let's say you cannot be in attendance for the entire virtual job fair. You can actually set up a time in which you will be available. That's in the chat section, and you can see the upcoming chats. You can delete them. You can edit them. Here's where you'll also be able to see your history and your private chats. We do ask you with the account options to please not update the passwords that we give you. And also on the visitors page down below, whenever at the end of the job fair, we will be able to have the names, the registration dates, and the emails of all the people that have visited your job booth. And we'll be able to export it out to an Excel spreadsheet. Now here, where it says offers, this in the actual interface here, it says offers, but during the job fair, what shows up is the name job postings. So this is very important to have your job postings. It's in the offers section. So what you're going to want to do is click add offer. And if you have a link to the job posting, you can just input it here. The name could be the position, and the description of the job posting can go right here, and it'll show up. So once again, offers are your job postings. Once all this information is filled out, you're ready to go. If you need any help with any of the sections, please let one of your reps at Workforce Solutions know, and we can figure that out for you. Once again, as much information that you can put out there, the better is that the job candidates will see. So on the actual day of the job fair, this is just a demo site for right now for a virtual job fair. But this is pretty much what the job candidates will see and what you will see when you're logging in for your chat. We will also provide you another email with the URL and also the user and password of your assigned chat information. And once you have that, it will be right here that you input. We do recommend that once you put your information in, to go ahead and change your name. We do recommend for the first name to have your company name, and then last name have the representative's name. That way, when people are in the job fair, because the list that you see in the chat will actually be the list of the usernames. And hopefully, if you have your company name, a job candidate can reach out to you specifically. So once you have your chat set up with your, after you log in and you change everything, you can minimize the chat. Here's what everybody will see is the entry, the information. If you scroll down, you'll notice that you'll see the pavilions. Here we have our workforce solution resources that people can go to. And also, if you click on the employers pavilion, you will see all the available employers that are available at the job fair. When you scroll down, you'll be able to see everybody, and you can click in on each one. And this is what they will see. So, for example, this is Spring ISD. The logo is down here on the booth. And if you look over, you can see the posters and the banners are actually customized already. They're able to scroll down where you will see the company profile and all the information's right here, in which you input in the backend site, which I just spoke about earlier. Also, you'll be able to see the job postings. So right here, there's multiple postings that they have input. Here's a spot for videos, the links, everything, as you can see. And if you click on the banners, it actually, what you see on the back, you can actually see a little bit higher, or a bigger version of it. Same thing with the posters. And to navigate through these, the job candidates will just go back to the pavilions and they're able to search for employers, search for job postings. And that's basically what they're going to see. So everything that you're doing on the back end is what the people will see whenever they go through here and then they click on to the booth. Once again, everything's down here, and that all will be input beforehand. So just as a short recap, this is what they will see. This is for your chats, in which we will provide the URL and the user and password. And the information that the job candidates will see will also be sent to you in an email that you're going to be setting up. The URL would be the backhand, the username, and the password will be assigned to you. Just go in and fill out the information that you would like all the job candidates to see. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have any questions, please reach out to your point of contact. Thank you very much.